Hi guys, Cindy from ScrapBrat. Today I am announcing my first ever digital. Now I have a freebie and it's these 2 pages and they are just coffee dyed backgrounds. It's just the whole ensemble is coffee dyed backgrounds. It's just some coffee dyed papers that I have made, and I scanned as a test to see if I could scan some vintage ephemera. So guess what? It worked. So I have the kit of 10 pages and the freebie for $1 on my coffee, or you can just get the freebie and see if you like it, and see if, you know, I mean, you don't need that many coffee dyed papers, but some of these are some with my lace that comes from my vintage tablecloth and my doilies, and some of them are kind of grungy and some of them are just plain coffee, but can do a lot with them, and I figured this would be something that everybody could use. And like I said, these are the freebie, these 2 pages, and this is printed on presentation paper, and this one I printed on some of my Nina cardstock. So you can kind of see the difference in the tones. It's going to depend on what kind of paper you print it on. And this one I printed at 110% on my printer, so the border was a little bit less. I usually cut them down when I use them for pages anyways. So, but these are same pages, same print, just on different paper. And like I said, I put the, I guess it's a kit. I put it up for $1 to help out with the cost of mailing Joy Mail. And I plan on putting more up. They will always be either my own ephemera that I own, items that I own, or my art. I will not use AI ever. So that is a promise, and I will stick to it. So that is that. And I'm not going to make anything today. I'm just going to talk to y'all real quick. This is coming up in a future video, and I used my digital in it. And then it's just a little folio to keep little bits and bobs, all of our little fussy cuts or whatever. And in the video, I cut this off, but I think I'm going to put it there. Yeah, I think so. I think so. So, yeah, so this will be an upcoming video. But until then, go over to the coffee if you like, and take it, take the freebie and see how you like it, and let me know. Always let me know if you have any problems or anything. I will be glad to do what I can. I am not a techie person. If you've been here for a minute, you know. And if it's your first time, you're more than welcome to stick around. I plan on doing more freebies and more very, I don't want to say generic kits, but very, like, you're able to use them over and over again. I mean, coffee dyed paper backgrounds are something that you can put on the back of any digital, or just print it 2-sided and use it for whatever, or do like I did and just for something neutral. But yeah, so that's about it, I guess. So hopefully y'all are having a great day. And if you would, I usually don't ask, but if you would, please like and comment, because I'm not going to have time to let this sit and marinate on YouTube because I had some finishing touches, and yeah. So if you like and comment, it'll tell YouTube that this is something that people want to see. So they'll push it out to more people. And then that way the video goes out to more people and other people can get a chance to get the freebie that don't already follow me. And if you are new here, like I said, you know, feel free to stick around and welcome. And any of my subscribers, thank y'all so much for all of your support, and you are greatly appreciated. And y'all go out and do something to spread the joy today and find joy in your own day. And until next time, guys, much love. Bye.